Lookfantastic boxes here. This looks really cool. I quite like it. It's different. Yeah, very interesting. Celebration of Beauty is the theme for September. September already. It's just crazy. But before we dive into this box, hello if you're new here, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. And like I said, the theme for this month's box, which is September, I can hear the Christmas jingle bells already, is the Celebration of Beauty. And they did say in the booklet that they did hint at this box in August. So yeah, I'm really excited to be diving in. Got what looks like lots of different products on the front here. So what I will do is, before we dive into this box, I'm so excited, I just want to get into it. I will put all the details of how much I pay and the prices in the description box down below, but I do have a 12-month kind of ongoing rolling subscription with Lookfantastic. I do find them to be quite skincare heavy, so if you're really into your makeup, you might not like this box. Always comes well presented. We've got a magazine here, tissue paper to make lots of noise with, and in your magazine it kind of just gives you all the information about the product, you know, little tips, tricks, stuff like that, which is cool. And you get a little sneaky peek of next month's one of next month's items. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. All right, and there we go. I'm a little disappointed with this one because I've received one of these recently. So yeah, a bit disappointed, but hey ho, you can open your eyes now. Let's dive into here and I will give you a cheeky sneaky peek of what's inside. And there we go. Looks jam-packed this month. I think there's like 6 items in here. Yeah, 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the sneak peek from last month, and that is the By Terry. It's kind of like a nice little lip balm. I've not tried this before, so I'm really intrigued. I will show you what the applicator looks like, which is just here, but I'm not going to pop it on my lips because I'm going to turn this doe foot bright red or orange, kind of like a burnt orangey red today, which I quite like. But yeah, does it have a fragrance? Oh, yeah, it smells very sort of like shea buttery. That smells really nice. Let's dive into the booklet and see what they've said about it. And they've said it's a nourishing lip balm enriched with the By Terry's signature formula, perfect for softening your pout whilst adding an inevitable shine. Ooh, so it's kind of a bit like a hybrid between a balm and kind of like a gloss. And it has shea of butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E. And it says you apply it directly to the lips throughout the day, as often as required, perfect for applying under or over lipstick. Oh, I just don't want to turn the applicator bright red. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up. Right, the next item I can see, oh, I've not tried this before. It's from the brand Ameliorate. I'm hoping that I've pronounced that correctly. I'm terrible at my pronunciations. And it's the Soothing Body Exfoliant, and it says specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, rough skin or ingrowing hairs. Yeah, I quite like the look of that. There's 50 mils and it has alpha hydroxy in it. So there we go. I'm not going to open this up. I'm unsure whether I'm going to use it or not. I do have dry skin on my body and I enjoy a scrub, but I don't think I need something this kind of intensive, because this is what you'd use if you've kind of got that really dry kind of chicken skin, if you get what I mean. So yeah, I will I'll pop that by and just see if in the future I do need to use it. If not, I may pop that in a giveaway. And it says here it's specially formulated to combat keratosis pilaris, which is the bumpy chicken skin-like texture that shows up on the back of your arms and legs. This moisturiser is a secret to smooth and supple skin, and it has lactic acid, shea butter and coconut oil. And it says you massage into dry skin thoroughly 2 to 3 times a week before rinsing in the bath or shower. So yeah, I may give it a go in the future. We'll see how dry these legs get. Now the next item we have in here, oh, we got a makeup item. And it is from the brand, oh my goodness, I can never pronounce this. Is it Inima? And it is a liquid eyeliner, and this one is in the shade brown. Now I'm not going to open this one up either because I do like a brown eyeliner, but I don't really use liquids, so I may pop this by for a giveaway. But I will give you some info. And it says it's a pigmented, easy to use liquid pen eyeliner, perfect for achieving a wide range of liner looks, from a cat eye to graphic lines, with this super fine and flexible precision tip that guides slowly over the eye, long lasting, quick drying and smudge free. And it says placing the eyeliner as close to the lash line as possible, use small strokes to draw your required shape. Once the shape has been defined, use larger strokes to colour it in. And their top tip is, when drawing a flick, the line should follow the natural line of the edge of your eye up to the end of your brow. This will ensure it fits with the shape of both your face and eye. I do like their little top tips that they give. It's you know, it's just a nice kind of little added extra. Now the next item I have is from the brand Beauty Pro, and it's the Brightening Sheet Mask, and this has collagen, vitamin C and aloe vera. And it brightens the complexion, improves elasticity, targets fine lines and wrinkles, has an anti-aging formula. It says you can travel with it, it contains natural ingredients, and it's also cruelty-free. And this one you would apply to cleansed, dry skin. I always pop on my toner, whack on the sheet mask, yeah, and leave it on for 15 minutes. And then once you remove it, if you've got any serum or essence remaining, kind of just rub it in, and I normally bring it down my neck onto the décolleté, and yeah, just rub it in everywhere. So yeah, that's a nice one. But I am a bit disappointed because I'm sure with Lookfantastic last month I got another sheet mask, so 2 in a row is a bit repetitive. Now the next item I know I'm definitely going to get some use of, and this is from the brand Christophe Robin, and it's a hydrating melting hair mask, and it has aloe vera. It's for hydrated hair, shiny and plumped lengths. That's a really strange way to describe hair, plumped lengths. And it is for dehydrated and dull hair, and you get 40 ml in here. I just want to see what this smells like, because the Christophe Robin mask I've used before smelled absolutely stunning and I loved it. I'm trying to, oh yeah, I'm trying to squeeze it up without squirting it all up my nose. That has got a really nice kind of masculine kind of fragrance to it. It smells like a sexy man. So I'm going to enjoy that. And Lookfantastic have said it's a calming, oh no, it's an intensive hair mask infused with 98% natural ingredients. It will lock in moisture and leave you with luscious locks. Ideal for dry, brittle hair, free from parabens and sulfates. And it has aloe vera juice and citric acid. And it says you apply a small amount through damp hair after shampooing. Start at the scalp and working the product through to the ends. Leave on to up to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. So what I would do is I would take that into the shower with me, wash my hair, and then I would pop the mask on, go about your business in the shower, and then just rinse it off at the last minute. Or you can pop it on in the bath once you've washed your hair. If you've got a sheet mask on, just kind of leave it just to sit and then rinse it off before you get out. But that smells absolutely stunning, so I'm going to pop that straight in the shower, and I can't wait to use that. And the last item we've got is from the brand SVR, and it is an eye cream. It says for irritated eyelids, anti-itching. It's a soothing cream, has hyaluronic acid and omega-3, 6 and 9. This is different. I've not used this before. Now my eye cream is about to come to an end, so we'll squeeze this out and see how it feels. But there's the packaging. How many mils in here? 15 mils. So this is more than likely full size. It doesn't tell you anymore on the actual information whether anything is full size or not. Oh, that came out straight away. I like that. And that is what it looks like there. I haven't gone nuts like I normally do. It's not a really thick cream, but it's no fragrance, but that has just that's gone, totally gone. Now I'm looking forward to that because I get really dry under eyes, so I use a gel and then go in with a cream sort of a bit later on. But yeah, that has gone totally. Either that or my hands are as thirsty as anything. And Lookfantastic have said it's a calming, soothing eye cream that will provide your delicate eye area for up to 24 hours of hydration. Its velvet texture helps to reduce redness and irritation for a more comfortable eye area. So that's good, especially if you get allergies and you do get irritated around the eyes. You might quite like that. And it says using your ring finger, gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone twice daily. And I normally go a small amount on top of my eyelids as well. As I bring it up over the brow bone, I just tap tiny amounts onto the eyelids because they're dry too. Yeah, so let's run through what we've got. I'm quite pleased in some regard to this box, apart from the mask, because like I said, we have recently had this. So we got a sheet mask. We have got a brown liquid eyeliner, which is fabulous to see a brown eyeliner because all we tend to get is black. So thank you, Lookfantastic, for that. We have got the kind of by Terry lip balm stroke kind of lip gloss. Really can't wait to try this. We've got the Ameliorate Soothing Body Exfoliant. I might try this, but I might pop it by for a giveaway. We got the Christophe Robin hair mask. Smells like a sexy man. Really looking forward to trying this. And then we've got the SVR eye cream. So yeah, I'm looking forward to starting this as well. Like I said, I'm overall pleased. It's just that mask was a bit disappointing. They could have popped something else in. They could have popped a tool in, you know, a brush or something. But we have got a mixture of products there. We've got hair care, skin care, body care. There's a bit of makeup. So, you know, I can't really complain too much. It's just a celebration of beauty. I would have expected maybe something else. But hey ho, maybe like a really luxurious body butter. That would have been nice. Or a spray, a nice body spray, bit of perfume. I can wish. Eyeshadow palette. Right, I'm going to dive into my tea now because I've been rambling on. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box, and if you already get Lookfantastic, I will get that word out, kind of tell me what product you're really looking forward to trying. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.